No paga me se popo pogo pele. Kagunga fulo kabuta ngenu fula mehlo akho. Just spread your wings and fly away. Yunga sabi, this is your well. This is your life. Impilo yakho ungavumi izinto zomhlaba zikuphazamise. This is your life. Impilo yakho ungavumi izinto zomhlaba zikuqindezele. This is your life.
Made in China.
Yes.
Ivan. It's an American company that sold out to China. Expensive shit tool. This is the cream. That's English tools, made in England. You can see the difference in the quality. This is made in China. Old American. It's now sold out to China. You can see we do production here. These are mine.
Yeah.
These are made in America.
Okay.
No one is allowed to use those.
Serious.
Good tools. You see what it says on there? L. Stolman.
Yes.
You remember that name?
Yes.
Wow. Quality tool.
You can't find them anywhere.
Yeah, you can buy them, but they're not the same.
Oh.
They make them cheaper for more. I hardly use those tools anymore. So now we want to put a nice edge to make the shoe comfortable for you.
¿Alguna novedad?
Nuestra lucha es por el respeto a nuestro derecho a gobernar y gobernarnos, y el mal gobierno impone a los más la ley de los menos. Nuestra lucha es por la libertad para el pensamiento y el caminar, y el mal gobierno pone cárceles y tumbas. Nuestra lucha es por la justicia, y el mal gobierno se llena de criminales y asesinos. Techo, tierra, trabajo, pan, salud, educación, independencia, democracia, libertad. Estas fueron nuestras demandas en la larga noche de los 500 años. Estas son hoy nuestras exigencias.
Trimming the edges now.
Yeah.
Mamá, te dejo mi carrito. Tengo un asunto importante que atender.
Dame un café.
¿Quieres café, mi vida? Pues sírvetelo.
Hermanos y hermanas,
Now I'm starving this edge.
aquel a cuya mano se acerque este manifiesto, que lo haga pasar a todos los hombres de esos pueblos.
Otherwise, this sharp point here is going to hurt your feet in the first month. So we take it off. it's just in there where it overlaps. And then here, this is for comfort as well, to make the edge nice. Now I want to show you something else. You see what we did there?
Yeah.
Come look here. Scarving tool. Make it sharp. Quick sticks.
Or it can adjust into a space because of it's bent.
Yes.
The way it's bent.
Yes, and I get a nice even.
Yeah.
Can take it almost down to nothing.
Yeah.
It's more professional and quicker. And I can do a big piece of leather, make it thin. And I can adjust my height to only take a smaller piece off.
Okay.
And I can adjust my length. And I can also adjust my angle that I want.
Oh.
So that's your scarving machine.
Okay. Wow.